Mastering the Art of Paragraph Writing. Welcome, aspiring writers. Today, we're diving into the world of paragraph writing, a fundamental skill that forms the backbone of effective communication. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone passionate about expressing ideas clearly, understanding the anatomy of a paragraph is crucial. So, grab your pens and notebooks, as we embark on this journey to master the art of paragraph writing. Before we delve into the details, let's break down the essential components of a well-crafted paragraph. Think of it as a hamburger. The topic sentence. Every paragraph needs a strong foundation, and that foundation is the topic sentence. This sentence sets the stage, conveying the main idea of the paragraph. Think of it as the what or thesis of your paragraph. Without a clear topic sentence, your readers might get lost in a sea of information. A thesis statement is the main idea, not the title. Example 1, topic sentence. The internet has revolutionized the way we connect and share information, reshaping the dynamics of modern communication. The topic sentence tells the main idea. After our topic sentence comes our supporting sentences. Once you've introduced your main idea, it's time to provide support. These supporting sentences elaborate on your topic sentence. They offer details, examples, and evidence to strengthen your argument or narrative. This is where you build your case or story, giving your readers a comprehensive understanding. For example, social media platforms, online forums, and instant messaging have become integral parts of our daily lives, connecting people across continents and fostering a global exchange of ideas. Paragraph unity. A paragraph must follow the rule of unity. All the sentences in a paragraph are about one main idea. That is, all supporting sentences must be relevant and are directly related to the main idea of the paragraph. To ensure your paragraph is cohesive and easy to follow, maintain paragraph unity. This means all sentences should contribute to the central theme, creating a seamless flow of ideas. Avoid straying off topic, as this can confuse your readers and dilute the impact of your message. For example, the internet's impact on communication is undeniable. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have transformed how we connect with friends and family, making distance virtually irrelevant. Online forums and discussion groups provide spaces for individuals to share diverse perspectives and engage in meaningful conversations. In this interconnected digital age, the internet serves as a powerful tool, breaking down barriers and fostering a sense of global community. Concluding sentence. Just as every story needs a conclusion, so does every paragraph. The concluding sentence wraps up your thoughts, offering closure and summarizing the key points. It's your opportunity to leave a lasting impression and guide your readers into the next section of your writing. In conclusion, the internet's transformative impact on communication underscores its role as a catalyst for global connectivity, shaping the way we interact and share information in the 21st century. Paragraph indentation. Lastly, let's talk about paragraph indentation. This visual cue helps signal the beginning of a new paragraph, enhancing the overall readability of your text. Typically, the first line of each paragraph is indented, creating a clean and organized appearance. Congratulations, writers! You've now unlocked the secrets of crafting a well-structured paragraph. Remember, a clear topic sentence, supported by relevant details and a concise concluding sentence, along with paragraph unity and proper indentation, can transform your writing. So, go ahead, experiment, and watch your paragraphs come to life on the page. Thank you for joining us on this writing adventure. Until next time.